Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do a project. This project will style the text. We will give a text here, hello world, and we will change the style of the text. Let me show you first. Here we have a text font size. When we change font, the text is changing here, and font weight is normal, bold, so changing. We also can change the color, black. When I write red here, the color change. Like blue is also changing. Green. When I change the color of the text is also changing. Okay, let's look at the code. And additionally, we are using Python display and display HTML to change the style of text. We are using HTML and display here, and we are defining a function. The input of the function is text, the first one, then font size, we are defining here, font weight, and font color. And we will define a style variable here. Font size will be the font size we will change here, and font weight will be font weight we will define. Color and will be color here. We give that. After that, we are defining like HTML variable here. Key style, it's in HTML like language. Style is here, style, and text here is a text input. So here, what's happening here? Just this HTML function, and here you are using this HTML variable into HTML function, and by using display function, we are displaying this text. And inside this function, we are using this style to style this text. That's happening. Okay. After that, we are using interact function, and first we are writing the function name style text, and then we are just writing defining the variables here. Text hello world. Here, as you can understand, if we just write string like hello world, this is in the interact. We have just input. For example, I can change this hello like Mary. When I change this text, the result is also changing. So if you just write string, it will return into input. If you just put the number, it can be integer or float. It will create slider here from 10 to 50, and the number is changing with 5. If I change to 1, it is increase and decrease slowly. We also can put the minimum 1, maximum like 200. Okay, font weight, normal, bold. You also can add italic. And if you if you define a variable as a list, we are using list here, you can have this option. The output is like this. And here font color is black. We have a string, and here we can change like text. But I think it's better to use list here, black, than red, blue, green, brown. Okay, let's see out. Run again. Here, As you can see now, I can change the colors like red, blue, green, brown. It's changing. Okay guys, I hope you understood this how to use interact function, the basics, how to change this variables when we how to define minimum and maximum number by using this tuple. And if you write just text, you have an input here, you can change whatever you want, however you want here. And if you write a list, you have an option here, and here also we used is a list. And you can solve some mathematical equations by using, you can do whatever you want, just change with the results interactively. So you don't have to change the code and run again and again. So that makes things easier. Okay, if you have any more question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.